Hello and welcome to the Allegro Packets How To series. In this video we will show you how you can use the Allegro Network Multimeter to quickly and easily examine the load on a network. Let's take a practical example. Multiple users complained that their network connection was very slow today. First we start with an overview in the dashboard. Open the web interface via a browser. Next, select a time view in the upper right corner, which is a longer time frame than the interval to be examined. In this case, we are looking for an event that occurred within the last hour. Now select the time period in which the users have reported problems. The Allegro Network Multimeter's internal database now works with the selected time interval, so you can investigate what problems there were. The dashboard shows you an overview of the top protocols and top IP and MAC addresses during the selected time period. Let's check by clicking on Top Protocols during selected interval for the cause of the slow connection. In our example, the SMB protocol showed up with a large amount of packets transferred in the selected time frame. That could be an indicator for a download of a big file. By clicking on SMB under Protocol, you can easily see an overview of who or what triggered this traffic. Here, in our example, a user did a large download, which can lead to disruptions. By clicking on an IP address or clicking on Connection Details under Go To, you can further investigate the causes and even look into the IP's connections. Under the Connections tab, you will find all connections the selected IP has made in the selected time frame, and you can even see the amount of TCP retransmissions that have been made by simply enabling this option in your filter. You can use the number of retransmission to estimate if there was a bottleneck between the sender and the receiver and if more packets had to be retransmitted. If there's a high TCP retransmission, it could indicate an overload of the network segment or an Wi-Fi device. If you need an even more detailed analysis, you can use the Pcap button to extract the connection packets. We'll explain how to analyze Pcap files in another video. Feel free to check out our YouTube channel for more tips on network troubleshooting. Thank you for watching and choosing Allegro Packets, your partner in network excellence.